Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is a self-heating hot pot that you can use to eat at home, in office, wherever you guys want to. That's up to you guys at the end of the day. And you guys can see the brand is right here. So in English, the actual company itself is called Haidilao. I believe they have like a few restaurants in like Southern California and other places. So I just saw this product for a really long time and I actually really wanted to try it, but I never had the time, or I didn't really want to try it at that time. But now I finally got the chance to finally try it. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but right here there's a bunch of flavors on here. So there's a spicy beef, which is what I got. And then they have a tomato beef flavor one. And then they also have a vegetarian tomato flavor one, so that way for people who can't eat meat. So this is what it looks like for the veggie one that's spicy, as you can see. And then for the non-spicy one, this is the non-spicy one that is the tomato flavor that only has veggies in it, so there's no meat in this. As for the other two flavors, it's kind of a new flavor. It's actually called a tomato flavor sweet sausage Chinese style. You guys can see this is what it looks like. And then the last and final one is actually really interesting because it's a spicy sausage Sichuan style, so it's actually supposed to be really, really hot. I actually never tried any of these. This is actually my first one, so I can't wait to try it out and see how it tastes and how like the whole process is. So let's not wait anymore. Let's actually go try this out and see how the process is to make the product and how it tastes and everything once it's done. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product afterward. Alright, so here we have the product right here, the spicy beef self-heating hot pot. So it tells you guys the instruction right here of how to make it. So let's open it up and try it out and see how it works. And then this is what it looks like here. So it does have the little hole right here, you can see, for the actual steam to come out. Let's open it up. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. So basically everything is labeled in here, as you can see. So this is the noodles here. Here's the utensil right here. So I guess they provide you a spoon and chopstick, I think. The spicy flavored hot pot seasoning. The seasoned beef. Here is the container that you guys want to add in the product right here. Here's the vegetables. And then here is the heating pack. So it tells you guys for use for self-heating food only. You guys don't want to do all this stuff right here. So if you guys are wondering where is like the maximum fill line, right here is the maximum fill line. So you guys want to go beyond this point right here. And then for this tray right here, you guys don't want to pour the water any higher than right here. So make sure it's below this line right here. So let's just add everything in and then give it a try and see how it works. So if you guys are wondering where the instruction is, it's actually inside the packet itself right here. So you guys want to rip this part open. And then you guys can see all the cooking instruction in here, as you can see. So that's actually pretty cool. So it tells you guys how to do step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, 5, and 6 right here in the bottom. Alright, so let's do step 1 first. So basically you want to take out the white tray, which is this one right here. And then you want to put in the noodles, the pickled vegetables, the beef, and the seasoning in here in that order. Alright, so the noodles first. Alright, so that's the noodles. Next it tells us to add the vegetable, which is right here. So let's open this one up and add it in. Alright, add in the vegetables. So this is all the vegetable that's inside, as you can see. Make sure everything is out so you guys don't waste any of the food. So after we do that, we want to add in the beef. So let's add in the beef. So this is the beef right here. So the beef itself is very seasoned, so you guys don't have to worry about it or whatever. And then the last and final thing that we want to add in here is the hot pot seasoning, which is right here. So the one I got is spicy flavor. So let's add this in. You guys can definitely smell like the spicy flavor and everything once we add it in. And if you guys don't want to, you guys don't have to add the whole entire pack in here if you guys don't want to. I'm going to add it in so I can actually see what it tastes like and how spicy it is afterward. So what we want to do now is add in the drinking water to fill it to the line that is mentioned right here. So just make sure it goes around that line or near that line that I mentioned and showed you guys. Alright, that looks good. That looks around where the line is, so we'll stop there. Alright, so what we want to do next is add in the water in here. So this one you guys want to make sure you guys add cold water first, and then you guys want to tear this bag right here, which is the heating pack, and throw it in there, and then let it like warm up and whatnot. So just add in the cold water first up to the line that it mentions here first. And then you guys want to put this container in here. So you guys can see that's boiling like crazy, but we'll close out the lid first for like 15 minutes or so. So I added too much water earlier and I had to bring it over here just so that it won't spill. But basically I don't want to fill it up too high like what I did earlier. So just make sure it's like filled high enough to the point where it actually is just good enough where it's like pretty low. Don't do as high as I did earlier though. But as you can hear, the product itself is sizzling really, really badly. So we're just going to leave this on here for like roughly 15 minutes or so. And then it should be done. Alright, so it's done. Let's open up and see what it looks like. Wow, look at all that chili pepper and whatnot. Definitely smells amazing, super spicy and whatnot. But let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. Let's try the noodles first. There's the noodles on top. It's definitely really good. Super spicy for sure. Let me try a piece of the meat. So the meat's right here. Wow. That meat is amazing. Like just the overall flavor of the actual dish itself tastes really good. Super fresh made and everything because you guys can make it on the spot or whenever you guys want to. I actually messed up the process of making it because I added too much water in the beginning and I added too little water later on. So I didn't really see the steam as well. But even with that mistake, I still fixed the issue and it's still really hot in terms of the actual dish itself. So let me try everything else and see what it tastes like. Wow, super spicy, but definitely tastes really good. Just like some seaweed knots right here, if you guys can see. This is literally so freaking good. I wonder how the tomato one tastes like. This one is super spicy. I like this a lot. So it won't be as like numbing, because when you guys eat this one, it definitely tastes like numbing and whatnot. So I'm gonna finish this up, and then we'll go talk about whether it's actually worth it or not. So everything that's provided in the actual dish itself definitely tastes really good. I love how they prep everything for you guys, so you guys don't have to eat it like instantly. You guys can save it for whenever you guys want to because everything's all ready. You guys just have to eat it before the best before deadline, which is the best before date. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, I think this is actually really worth it if you guys are looking into like a DIY self-heating hot pot where you can actually do at home so you guys don't have to buy the ingredients and whatnot. If anything, if you guys really wanted to, you guys can even add your own ingredients on there and then just heat up along with the actual other food itself if you guys really want to do that as well. But the overall experience itself definitely is amazing. Quality is amazing. I would definitely try one of these again or try the other dishes as well. Super easy to make and everything once you guys get the hang of it and understand like how much to add in terms of like water and quantity and whatnot. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or don't like hot pot in general, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's much it for this quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan show of the day we have